Theta value equivalent to 19.2131 rands a coin. The present cost range, 19.216 to 19.4314. The earlier day close, 19.3243. The change was 0.1112, 0.58%. Opposite rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Had a cost expectation on Monday. April 10, cost 18.84 rands, high 20.16, low 17.52. Theta figure on Tuesday. April 11, cost 18.83 rands, high 20.15, low 17.51. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday. April 12, cost 18.94 rands, high 20.27, low 17.61. Theta figure on Thursday. April 13, cost 19.97 rands, high 21.37, low 18.57. Theta cost expectation on Friday. April 14, cost 20.01 rands, high 21.41, low 18.61. And multi-week Theta figure on Monday. April 17, cost 19.25 rands, high 20.60, low 17.90. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday. April 18, cost 19.68 rands, high 21.06, low 18.30. Theta figure on Wednesday. April 19, cost 20.06 rands, high 21.46, low 18.66. Theta cost expectation on Thursday. April 20, cost 19.35 rands, high 20.70, low 18.00. Theta figure on Friday. April 21, cost 20.96 rands, high 22.43, low 19.49. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday. April 24, cost 21.14 rands, high 22.62, low 19.66. Theta conjecture on Tuesday. April 25, cost 19.97 rands, high 21.37, low 18.57. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday. April 26, cost 19.92 rands, high 21.31, low 18.53. Theta conjecture on Thursday. April 27, cost 19.87 rands, high 21.26, low 18.48. Theta cost expectation on Friday. April 28, cost 19.14 rands, high 20.48, low 17.80. In 3 weeks Theta conjecture on Monday. May 1, cost 20.19 rands, high 21.60, low 18.78. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday. May 2, cost 19.21 rands, high 20.55, low 17.87. Theta conjecture on Wednesday. May 3, cost 20.20 rands, high 21.61, low 18.79. Theta cost expectation on Thursday. May 4, cost 19.06 rands, high 20.39, low 17.73. Theta conjecture on Friday. May 5, cost 19.46 rands, high 20.82, low 18.10. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday. May 8, cost 18.36 rands, high 19.65, low 17.07. Theta gauge on Tuesday. May 9, cost 19.55 rands, high 20.92, low 18.18. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place, cost at 18.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.62, while low cost 17.51. They found the middle value of cost 19.45. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 19.14. Change for April 3rd 0.3%. Theta gauge for May 2023. To start with cost at 19.14 rands. Exorbitant cost 21.61, while low cost 17.07. They found the middle value of cost 19.21. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 19.03. Change for May 0.6%. Theta cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 19.03 rands. Exorbitant cost 19.03, while low cost 15.89. They found the middle value of cost 17.76. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 17.09. Change for June 10.2%. Theta gauge for July 2023. To start with cost at 17.09 rands. Exorbitant cost 21.08, while low cost 17.09. They found the middle value of cost 18.74. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 19.70. Change for July 15.3%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023. To start with cost at 19.70 rands, exorbitant cost 24.45, while low cost 19.70. They found the middle value of cost 21.68. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 22.85. Change for August 16.0%. Theta conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 22.85 rands. Excessive cost 22.85, while low cost 17.85. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 20.69. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 19.19. Change for September 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 19.19 rands. Excessive cost 19.19, while low cost 14.99. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.37. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 16.12. Change for October 16.0%. Theta conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 16.12 rands. Excessive cost 18.90, while low cost 16.12. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.20. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.66. Change for November 9.6%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 17.66 rands. Excessive cost 18.61, while low cost 16.17. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.46. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.39. Change for December 1.5%. Theta figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 17.39 rands. Excessive cost 17.39, while low cost 14.42. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.18. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 15.51. Change for January 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 15.51 rands. Excessive cost 18.93, while low cost 15.51. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.91. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 17.69. Change for February 14.1%. Theta figure for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 17.69 rands. Excessive cost 17.69, while low cost 15.32. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.79. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 16.47. Change for spring 6.9%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 16.47 rands. Excessive cost 16.47, while low cost 12.86. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.91. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 13.83. Change for April 16.0%. ZAR to Theta conversion standard equivalent to 0.0520 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0515 minus 0.0526. The earlier days nearby 0.0517. Change for now plus 0.00